Oh my God. We up. Guys, Savio, my startup, is going in a direction na hindi namin gusto. Hi, I'm Theo. I'm the founder of Savio, your money mindset AI coach. Mag-backstory muna tayo. Sa previous video natin, I told you about my salary not being enough, and that prompted me to build Savio, my fintech startup. So, ngayon that it's out on closed beta, so may mga nagtetest, no? We actually realized something. Nagiging budgeting app na si Savio. And hindi yun talaga yung gusto namin mangyari. Lagi kong sinasabi, it's not just a budgeting app. It's more than that. It's your money mindset coach built with multi-agent AI na kada aspect ng personal finance may specialist AI. Merong specialist AI for insurances, for investments, for savings management, for debt repayment, at kung ano-ano pa. Lahat yun may specialist AI. At lahat sila working together para mabigyan ka ng personal finance team. Pero with this closed beta, unfortunately, yun yung nangyayari. Na supposedly dapat coach siya that guides you, hindi ngayon yung nangyayari. So we are back to the drawing board. At alam nyo guys, nakatulong din talaga to emphasize na nasa maling direksyon na kami nung in-onboard na namin yung bagong CMO namin. And I think this is the perfect opportunity para ipakilala siya sa inyo. We just welcomed Nicole Alba sa Team Savio. And we're super excited to build this with her kasi she really has the same vision and mission na mas marami pang Pilipino ang makapag-handle na kanilang personal finance ng better at tumaas din yung financial literacy dito sa Pilipinas. She pointed out that when she tested the app for closed beta, in-emphasize niya talaga yung pinaka-frustration ko since we started this, na nagiging budgeting app na nga si Savio. But then again, hindi naman mali talaga yung binibuild namin ngayon. Kasi what we want din naman is not just coaching. Dapat meron ding actionable, meron ding habit tracking, meron ding pag-handle mismo ng personal finance. It's actually solving both coaching and the actionability. Na hopefully soon, both mo magagawa sa app. Kasi ngayon, nandun pala kami sa actionability. So sa V1, hopefully before closed beta ends, you can talk to Savio via chat and voice. You can have frequent check-in and get insights from Savio. But you can also plan and track your personal finance. So yung tinetest ng mga closed beta users ngayon, hindi naman yan masasayang. Kasi again, yun pa lang yung solution namin for the actionability part. So expect that yung version 1 and even yung closest beta release namin before version 1 next year will be a totally different release to better cater and to better solve your problems in personal finance. And that's what I'm most excited about. Kasi I firmly believe that Savio will change people's lives. It will change a lot of people's relationship with money and their money mindset will shift. Tapos mapapakanta ka na lang ng I have been changed for good. So I suggest join our waitlist and newsletter para pagtapos na yung closed beta, pag-release namin ng version 1, i-email ka agad namin. Punta ka lang sa www.meetsavio.com. So yun lang guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!